Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said at a virtual rally that India has social, geographical, historic, cultural and even spiritual ties with Nepal. Our relationship with Nepal is that of roti beti. Singh said the border issues will be resolved through dialogue. His response came after Nepal fast-tracked the passage of a constitution amendment bill to approve the country's new map that includes Kalapani, Lipulekh and Limpiadura, which figure in Indian maps. It is being reported that two Indians working with the Indian High Commission in Islamabad are missing. The Ministry of External Affairs has taken up the matter of the untraceable Indian members of staff with Pakistan, according to sources. The two were identified as a CISF security official and a driver. The incident comes days after two Pakistani officials at the Pakistan High Commission in New Delhi were accused of espionage and deported. Former Goa Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Sardesai has said it was a political mistake on his part to support the Pramod Sawant-led state government after the demise of Manohar Parrikar in March last year. The Goa Forward Party chief apologized to people after the mistake and accused the BJP-led state government of being inefficient, non-transparent and having no administrative accountability. Union Home Minister Amit Shah held an all-party meeting with Delhi's ruling Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress, BJP, Bahujan Samaj Party and Samajwadi Party to discuss the COVID-19 situation in the national capital. At the meeting, the Congress demanded that COVID-19 testing be provided to all and that Rs 10,000 be paid to every family in which a member is infected or in a containment zone. The party also demanded that medical students in their fourth year be used as non-permanent resident doctors. Starting today, Mumbai Suburban Rail Services starts for 1.25 lakh commuters identified by the state government as essential service workers. The train services will not be available for the general public, a joint press release from Western and Central Railways late on Sunday said. Several checks will be put in place to ensure that only private as well as government officials involved in essential services and healthcare workers identified by the state and the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation are allowed to travel. Anand Vihar railway station will not see any train service operate from its premises from today onwards, as all platforms will be reserved for the deployment of COVID-19 isolation coaches. All trains to and from Anand Vihar will be moved to the Old Delhi station. 500 railway coaches have been turned into isolation wards for treatment of around 8,000 coronavirus patients to augment Delhi's health infrastructure, which is strained under a rising number of coronavirus cases. Deceased Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's uncle has charged that his death was not plain suicide but that there was a conspiracy behind what he called murder. Singh's maternal uncle demanded a police probe into the deaths. The 34-year-old actor's father, along with other family members, left Patna for Mumbai today for the late actor's last rites.